All right, so today we are going to be testing out the SmartDevil Quick Installation Screen Protector. This one is the 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. This right here is a 16 Pro with no screen protector at all. So we have the film installation toolkit. So dust stickers, if you don't know what dust stickers are, might be better to do this when your phone is powered off, but okay. So we're gonna hold this down just like that, and I'm gonna pull. Okay, we're gonna wait about 10 seconds, like that. Because I didn't have a protector on my phone, my keys scratched it, so I do have a scratch on my phone that won't come off. But this would have been way better to have something. Touch-wise, everything works. Everything is working great, so no problems there. And yeah, looks like it fits the phone great, and highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.